Greetings everyone, this is Wrench with Matt. On this episode we're going to be replacing the factory tow hooks here with some aftermarket ones from LexlandGear.com. They are red anodized aluminum, look really awesome. Can't wait to get them on. Should be a really simple process. There's just two bolts, 18 millimeters, that hold these in place. You remove the bolts, remove the factory tow hooks, replace them with the new ones, and you're good to go. Let's get her done. Quick comparison between the stock and the replacement. The front hole is a little elongated, just in case the holes don't perfectly line up. Gives you a little extra wiggle room. Let's get the new one on. Easy as that. Let's do the other side. They are installed. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like from back. There we go, they are installed. They look good. They have a little bit of an accent to them, make the truck look nice. I like it. Lexland Gear is still doing their Black Friday sales. Use my code WrenchWithMatt to get 25% off your order. That's good through December 1st. After December 1st, you can still use my code WrenchWithMatt and you'll get 18% off your total order. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, everyone. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.